The worst has happened. Biche Onuke and his family, we are found lying dead in the farmland. Go and see.
Now I am sure that his great-grandfather and his late father are now celebrating with him and his entire family.
But I told you not to worry.
Yes, you told me. Now let me see how he can stand up to me in this village again.
It's only an ant that refuses to use its ear. That is why they are killed in a million before any war.
Yes. Yes. Let's not forget. You know, Ugochi, my late brother's wife, is still proving very stubborn. I want to teach her a bitter lesson of her life.
It depends on the type of lesson you want to teach her.
Well, you see that farmland at Iguago that belongs to my late father.
Yes.
I'm seeing great future in it for me. You know, development is coming.
Of course.
Yes. And the oil company will come into this village. And I'm very sure that land will be center of their attraction.
But what are you insinuating? I mean, what are you saying? What's the next plan of action?
I want to finish Ugochi. Just the way we finished Oluke and his family.
Ichio, my bosom friend. You are the only man in this village that believes in old traditions.
Yes.
I assure you, my enemies must die so that they will not hinder the progression of my destiny.
Bam. I have. It's not that I am against Christianity.
No.
No, I'm not against Christianity. But one thing I believe, my enemy must die before he thinks of killing me.
They will die and I will match them.
Oh, Beo.
It's your Kadike.
Mama, you see me here. Very handsome.
Love divine, all love's excelling, joy of heaven to earth. Come on. Mama, why are you running as if the whole world is after you?
Mama, do you know that Ichonuke and his family were found dead this morning?
What?
On their farmland.
How come? What happened? What killed them?
I don't know, Mama. I don't know.
Did you find out?
No, Mama.
So, Nona, you go me Hey! You go to my You know my in-law is coming today. Get up.
Okay, Mama.
Go.
That nice man. I have not heard in this village that he quarreled with anybody. Anybody
that did that to that man, go walk a loss in Jesus' name. Anybody that did that thing to this nice man and his family, then go walk a loss. And anybody that killed them, the person will see no good in his life. On generations unto generation.
The heart of man is
desperately wicked. Oh, your Bible. In Bible. Desperately.
If only you did what I told you, his resources would have vanished. Now, look at the mansion he's building. Have a look at it.
I didn't know that is the boy we were talking about.
Now it's too late.
Who is that fool?
Who else, if not Izuma? Let me clear the question. He's the one. Spreading his hands as if he's the Igwe.
Step out of the way, son.
That boy has no respect at all.
No respect at all.
These are the kind of people we should eliminate from this village.
You get the point. And that is what we are going to do. There's nothing we can do. Let's go.
All right.
Now.
Mama.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
No, welcome. See all the things you brought for us. That was all.
Mama, they are nothing. Absolutely.
Hey, Nda. See these things you brought for us. Amankisi Wema need the golden pen. Semovita. How many kg? Thank you. Oh, look, anybody for these things you brought for us will waka for you. The person go waka lost in Jesus' name. Any tongue that condemns you, will be cut off.
Amen.
It shall be well with you in the morning, afternoon, and night.
Amen.
My God will bless you abundantly.
Amen.
He will continue to provide for you, no?
Amen.
It is well with you.
Amen.
In Jesus' name.
Amen. Thank you, Mama.
Thank you very much for all these things. We appreciate. But you see my sister here, Isioma. I trust her very much. No one is going to take her away from you. When I'm here, we're only waiting for the necessary things. We're only waiting for the necessary things to be done.
Anayo, don't worry. You will hear from me. I'll do the right thing.
Makasi ni eme ngwa eme alodachi maka ndi ota.
Going on.
Ndi ota or no ndi ota. We're going to take it one step at a time.
Oh yes.
No rushing. He's mine.
Oh yes, baby, I'm yours. Mama, I'll be going back to the city today. So, time is
Chelo. I prepared delicious food for you. Green vegetable,
yes.
Fresh. Machasilia, I cut it, chopped it into bits and pieces with plenty of onions, plenty of pepper. I just prepared it and put macrofish self. Yes. See, we may stock. We get
yes.
Then G Pochalala.
Yes.
Oh, did you see? Yeah, we manu zelele.
Oh, Mama.
Mother cooks for you. I prepared this one specially for you.
Yes.
I can imagine. Mama, you know what? The next time I come back, you will prepare this particular meal for me. I have to taste it.
Okay.
I can imagine how delicious it would taste.
Yes.
Mama, thank you so much for the hospitality. I'm grateful.
Yes, well with you.
Yes, Mama.
In the morning, in the afternoon, in the night, every time.
Amen. Amen.
Goodbye.
All right, Anna. Take good care of yourself. You too. Mama, you will hear from me.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey, all right, Mom. Your mother is so funny. I'll miss you.
Miss you more.
So walk me to the car.
Oh, okay. Before then,
Okay.
promise you won't look at those city girls when you get back.
Well, sounds like someone is jealous.
Of course, I'm jealous. I'm your wife to be. I should be jealous.
Ah, baby. My love. Since you left the city after your youth service, I've been myself. I can't change now. You know I love you.
I love you more.
Of course. What do you think?
Ichia Okadike, you have seen it yourself. That boy in question needs to be taught a lesson of his life. Unless you want to have a serious contender in your family as Ira.
Only a coward is scared of a lizard.
Of course.
When I have somebody like you. Ojena mo. Mirie wilo.
Mirie wilo. Water has no enemy.
Let them enjoy it before, as long as it lasts, Abi.
Of course.
Oh, no, not Abi. Ogabasi, Ugochi. Where's your mother? Ugochi.
See me here.
How many times have I told you not to enter my farm or anything that belongs to me? Again, with your children. Huh? How many times?
Says who? Ekwensu. Leave me and my children alone. Asingi, Rapo Anyaka. Kaingo Mili Tobogiko. We are not going to run away from this village for you. Let me tell you, we are going to drink water and keep the cup.
Which cup? No, it's not only cup that you will drink. You will drink gallon. Huh? So for the last time, don't you ever enter my farmland again.
Is this your farm?
It belongs to me and my brother, yes.
No, we've been farming on this land from time immemorial, from time immemorial, from the time when my husband was here, when I was married into this village, this your family. We've been farming on this farm. I say, devil.
Mama Chelekene, Uncle, let me ask you. Are we not part of the same family? Ndewana. What is going on?
Your prostitute mother should tell you who your real father is.
Mama,
yes, you should
I'm just respecting because our uncle. Don't call my mother names again.
Mama. Keep quiet. Keep quiet when I'm talking.
Or what or anything?
Keep quiet, you bastards, when I'm talking. You are on your... Look, tell her to tell you who is your real father. Who is your real father, yes. Because I'm sure my big brother that I know so well cannot give birth to creature like you. Huh? These nonsense children. Huh?
Let me tell you.
If you want a father, come and meet me.
Which father?
I will give you a father.
Eh?
Yes.
Is that what you're saying? You cannot chase my children and I away from this village. I am about the same place. When I know Sikweba Makapu Nubanyo. I think get Rapia, Rapiaka, Bieba, Rapiaka.
Uncle, this thing you're doing is not fair. It's not fair. But
Uncle, I want to tell you one thing. You see this God in heaven? I want to tell you that God is watching you. Yes.
God, from where is he watching? From where? Let me look. I can't see him. I can't see him. You are lucky that I'm in a good mood today. You are so lucky I'm in a good mood. But let me tell you again and over again. Let me not see you on this my farmland again. It belongs to me.
Can my home? Where is my home?
You. Huh? My God is going to fight you. You are a devil. You are a demon. Your blood is not what my children is not what your trouble. Look,
when I come back here, you and your bastards should not, I will not see anybody here. You bastard.
Let me tell you.
Let me go and come back.
You can't do anything. Devil incarnate. Only I don't want the trouble. You and your sisters should not listen to this devil incarnate.
Mama, leave him. Mama, come. But let me ask you, Mama. What is really the matter with this man?
This man?
Why does he hate me and my sister so much?
I said you should not listen to him. Ekwensu have been looking for my trouble from the time I was a young girl. He wants me to sleep with him. Mama,
next time,
Mama, devil, if not for the respect I have for him, now.
Go in. Let's do our work and get away.
Whenever. Neka.
Yes, Papa, you called me.
Where's your mother?
She went to the market.
Oh, well, okay. Come, take, go and buy me cola.
Yes, Papa.
Ojibo, Oji Hausa.
Yes, Papa, no Ojibo.
Be fast with it. Ugochi. He who fetches ant-infested firewood should not be surprised when lizards come for funeral. You have caused me more pain than expected. Now, you're a problem for my life. I will destroy you gradually, you and your children, until you beg for death.
Hey, like I was telling you, if not for one thing, I would have broken his leg. Or can you imagine?
What was Emeka even thinking? That you're on the same class with him?
Look at me, oh! Me that want to attract a wealthy man. That poor Emeka is coming to talk to me.
Isioma, the poor today may be the rich tomorrow. You can never tell.
We can rap a far. Okay, what are you trying to say?
Don't be rude to him. Talk to him in a way that later you guys can still be friends.
And who says I want to do anything with friendship?
I don't understand, though.
What am I doing with his friendship?
My dear, poverty is infectious. You don't need it.
She's not hearing it. Loud it.
Poverty is infectious.
Say it in her ears.
It is infectious.
Sound it in her. Who is that? Who is that? Show yourself.
Why are you shouting? Please, who?
I don't know. I saw something.
You saw something like what?
Like a shadow.
What shadow? Mama? Mama?
Mama. Oh, Mama, I saw something. Something like a shadow.
Where? What are you doing outside by this time?
I'm just trying to wash my clothes.
Ngwano, you're inside, everybody. Inside now? Keleja. Come and lock that window. Come. Leave that bucket inside.
Their death is not ordinary. This is the second family that has died mysteriously in this village. First, it was Chinaza's parent and brother. And now it's Onuke and the entire household.
You're right. Someone or some people must be behind their death. But come to think of it, what would they gain for killing them?
Something is fishing, but only time will tell.
Who is that?
Since Papa is back.
You won't comb your hair. How many
times have I warned you not to touch my powder? Don't you know that this powder is very expensive? By the way, in a powder, wine.
Sister Isoma is okay now. He only used it today.
Ochakomaka was snogging. If I hear film from you, Mali Yaba, why will he touch my powder?
Oh, you're taking sides with him.
Can you imagine? If I leave it now, tomorrow you go and touch the powder again.
Is he robbing?
Or some wine at the powder.
Meaning Nigerian will leave a mother without permission. Why are you taking her powder? Oh, she said that it's very expensive.
Mama, can you
But
Mama, why is he robbing powder? Or wine? On our chumma?
Mama, I am a man. Men do rob powder too.
Also, not the expensive.
You want to look good. You want to look good. Next time, touch it. Touch it next time. I can't wear design. You want to look good. I'm not
Zuma up nowhere.
Sema
kakupu alumna. Biko kakuloge po name it kudazima kanisima. Sema po, sema.
You mean that woman still challenges you?
Really? She insulted me. She called me all sorts of names. Huh? I must show that woman that she is but just a woman. No matter how strong and big she thinks she is.
But I don't see that woman to be troublesome.
Mary, she looks only deceitful. She is heartless and wicked. She must be taught a lesson.
Ichio Kadike, take it easy. We still have enough time. Let's keep on watching her for now.
Mary, I can see you don't want to help me.
How?
You want to wait until she kills me before you can believe me?
Ichio Kadike, how possible can that be? A whole Ichio Kadike being killed by a male woman? It's not possible. If that occurs, then I have no option than to flog your dead body publicly without looking back.
Well, I knew you won't believe it.
I know how you feel. Let us give her time for now. There's every tendency she might change and be submissive to you.
Well.
Ichienna.
Ezugo.
No, Shinne. I sent for you, I want to find out that boy. That boy you brought to marry Izunna.
What about him?
What does he do for a living?
Ezugo you're gonna ajukwanka.
Amandobia no kwatasi almungongo na ngongo bute mi ife bu so mana ehun. Man, I don't want deception. I want to know what he does for a living now.
Ezugo Izunna is into important exporting.
Yes. Exporting one week expect or is mad. Why can they book a part of mad? I'm maka on a for long.
Ezugo
we're looking you. On our importing if I want. Find China as that exporting.
You get Ezugo Bamba, Zuna them export and import is
so what does he
export? Izunna is into importing of electronics. Yes.
Electronics?
Yes. Like a fridge, and television, TV. Radio, fan, all those appliances.
And
that's why when you told me that you want to marry your daughter, I was very happy. Then I know that good things are coming.
Be a lugo man.
Yes.
Be a lugo man. Daloso. Augustia.
Ogula. You want on sobu. Don't worry about it.
So muta of ma.
I know what you can do. Don't worry, the occasion is coming.
Then those men they used to give to us, we will explain them that day.
Yes.
What of Isioma?
Isioma no kwani.
My regards to them. I will be on my way if there's no other thing. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Greet the children for me.
Oh God, you know. Easy. Easy. Be a Kennedy. Oh, one.
No, you're begging.
Hey. Easy. Isioma. Make a quantity can do. No, Ada. You know when a girl's hand is given to a man in marriage, the siblings, the mother, more like more, they rejoice. And you have Michael leave you know you love beauty.
And mama, odi ocha. Ocha no oji.
Ocha no oji.
Jiluko ifi.
But we the parents will rejoice. It's not because you are getting married though. It's because you are going to add to the family. Grandchildren. That is the joy. But as it is now, you have to be careful.
Very careful.
Give a book of friends. You walk on one you get in another friend will go for. See, this is your friends that are gathering. You have to be very, very careful. Let me tell you something. I give you a word of advice. My husband, you have a late father. When I married him, when no see Dikeh, as I was coming to the office, even a food flask can be a bunny because he likes eating my food. One woman cited me. See, because that this man is very, very handsome. Onya kudia pasati anya doba boko. Ko pantia adokasia. Alas, just about 1 week. Na bia kwa office. Nekwa the woman inside your father's office. I'm asking you call name.
They will not try it with me. Oh.
Na see I see.
I want to get me. They will not do it with me. If for Izuna, Aromaka Ropata. So I will not allow my friends to come close. Oborokwa, onye try ya. Ha! Njaya. Mbao. What tiger? What lion?
Lion. Go one.
They should not try it.
So you gotta be careful. It's just an advice from your mother, okay?
Sister Esoma, I and Anna Young we are coming to stay with you when you get married.
You want to leave Mama alone here in the village and come with me to the city?
So you but by the way, where's Anna?
He should be going. I've gone to his friends.
Anna, yo, this boy, when once he comes home, kitchen.
2 plates.
On a bed too. Only any Likasian Yaro, or Bani te Kuchakola, item.
I know, wait. You mean Isoma will get married very soon and leave this village? And no one cared to tell me, even you.
No, now. But I was going to tell you.
About telling me? When?
Before the date is fixed now.
Hey! Anayo, this is unlike you. You have really changed.
Listen to me. I know this is unlike me. I am still who I am. Don't you know me? I will still tell you.
I'll still tell you. Let's go.
You are ready to not be angry.
can I not tell my friends? Eh? Okay, who is going to be my husband? I'm sorry that I didn't tell you. Baby. Sorry. Baby, forget that.
See the kind of person you carry to be your friend.
No, it's not like that. I said I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. No, but I said I'm sorry. Forgive me. And I want to use this opportunity to tell you that I'll be getting married soon. Wait. You never talk and work. Okay, I'm sorry. And I'll be getting married soon. Yes.
Tell me, what is it that you want to discuss here that you can't discuss inside?
It is about that woman again. She is at it again.
Ugochi?
Ugochi is at it again.
What is it this time around?
Do you know that her first daughter, Isioma, is about to get married? And she didn't tell me about it. She kept everything to herself.
Oh, Dikeh, I thought as much, and I've heard it already. I was even saying that you don't want me to know anything about it.
I heard it only about a few hours ago. Ichio, Keke and Ono, they were there. They told me.
Now, are you now telling me that she did not tell you anything about the introduction?
If she did, I would have discussed it with you before now. See, Miri, you see what I'm telling you about that woman? She doesn't regard me as the eldest of the family at all.
That is serious. And we need to do something about it.
Oh, yes.
Yes, teaching time saves 9.
Yes.
The earlier, the better. You have to be on your way. Let me go inside and think about what to do. Let us think of what to do. Okay. We can't just fold our hands and watch things go wrong.
The heart of men, highly desperate. Open mad and the one when we die.
Alupaku afunde mo. Obibiaku. My man here needs your help. Yes, I can hear you. I'm all ears. I'm listening. Dikeh, the gods are not happy with you. Obibiaku said that she is innocent.
But she disrespects me all the time. Is that not enough to destroy her?
Dikeh, Dikeh, you are my bosom friend. You know, Obibiaku is the gods of justice. But don't worry, I will take you to Obibi. But you know what is required of you to stand before me.
Yes, I know. Yes.
The heart of men, highly desperate. Open mad and the one when the going is good, on a suffer. When the going is tough, on a dequafama. What is happening? We are waiting on you. Come to our rescue. What is happening?
Dikeh, that which you seek will be difficult, but I will help you. It's only death that doesn't have a solution. Do all, but you can't kill her. The spirit of the late husband is protecting the entire family.
This is becoming more difficult than I thought. I want her and her children out of the way.
Dikeh, my friend, you worry too much. It seems that is not the only reason why you want her out of the
way. Ugochi, it is 1 year and 2 months since your husband, my late brother, died. We have respected him enough according to our tradition. So according to our tradition, it is time I take up my responsibilities.
You are on the right track. Go ahead.
I don't understand. I honestly don't understand what you're talking about.
So, Ugochi, what I'm saying is that I am the only surviving blood brother of your late husband.
It's undisputable. I know that, yes.
So, it is my responsibility now to take care of you and your children. For that, I want to come into your house and stay in your house to take care of you and, to take also to perform my duties, especially my night duties. You know where I'm coming from.
Truly, I still don't understand what you're trying to tell me.
Ugo, what Okadike is saying is right. What is it that you don't understand?
I still don't understand. What I mean is that, first of all, I don't understand what he means by performing his night duties and moving into my house to live with my children and I. I don't understand it at all. So that's it.
Well, Ugochi, you are now mine. You are now mine. Tradition, you see? And you share everything, even your room and your body and every other thing that you have been sharing with my brother. Yes.
Okadike. 9.
Yeah.
I still don't understand what you're talking about because you know that I am from this village.
Yes.
And I'm married to a man from this village.
Yes.
I don't know the tradition you're talking about. I don't understand it. Eh? Or is it your planned tradition? You and your friend that concurs. Ieni and I concur. Nanya kankwapu. Une si robem puokita. If you don't go away from my house now, it's in a million gari. I'm boiling water for my gari. I'll go and carry that hot water and warn you now. See the bank, Paul.
What? Hot water? Hot water? On me?
Yes.
You want to pour hot water on me?
I will. Look, I am going to pour it on you.
You pour hot water on me?
I'm telling you,
you pour hot water on me?
I'm telling you.
When I'm following the tradition? Good. The woman now will hear this.
Let them hear.
The woman now will hear this.
Wait.
This is right, oh.
The woman now will hear this.
It's right.
Let us go. Let us go.
Onye dugu kwanu yegum. Ebe ki yesi, iwe leda lia ki ga anonda. Ememu gi alu kio. Nezu. I don't even know why I gave you chair.
Icheben, I want to ask Ugochi here what I have done to her that she has denied me my right over her and her children, according to our tradition and culture.
Yes. Ugochi, you heard Okadike. What have you to say?
My elders, you're welcome. Thank you. I don't know what I have done to my late husband's front. I am born in this village and I still married in this same village. I know the culture and tradition very, very well. See, my late husband's brother wants me to do migrimo with him. And he has been asking me to do migrimo with him. By force, by fire. And I know that the culture did not say in any way that is by force. It is my interest that I want to do migrimo with him. But I don't see why he should force me into it or threaten me. That's it all.
Okay, Dikeh, Ugochi is right.
See, Nine, what I am saying is that Megrimo is a mutual understanding. By mutual understanding between two people. As a widow, if I like anybody to Megrimo with me after the mourning of my husband, it's nobody's business. And nothing said. The tradition does not say that he cannot take care of my family and myself without that Megrimo. He can still take care of us. Then if anything comes out of it and I like him, well, I might.
Dikeh, our culture never says by force for you to kuchemu when they walk around. You know what to do as a man. The man is right. This thing is a game of choice. It's not by force.
Ichie, say what is right. Yes, say what is right. I hate all this siding one person. Huh? It is my right. I have the right over her and over her children. She is my right and I can do what I like. Why are you siding her? Why are you siding her?
Dikeh, let me come here. I don't see any problem. Is this the reason why you call us here? If I know that this is the reason why you call for this meeting, I will not be here.
Sadly.
Yes. I will not come to this meeting. What you are dragging with your brother's wife is what you should have settled with her. I don't see any case in this issue. This thing you are dragging now, the way you are sounding and going about it, someone sitting by the side can easily say you are the one who killed your brother. To take his wife.
Exactly.
You had me right.
You said I killed my brother.
I did not say so.
Are you accusing me of killing my brother?
Dikeh, I did not accuse you.
You are accusing me that I killed my brother?
Dikeh, you should be careful.
You are going about it.
I don't know say Yakubu Kwegi. I did not accuse you. The way you are acting,
You are taking this issue. You are taking this issue.
Say what you know. Say what you know. Now you are talking. My friend, those elders, they are part of your problem. And if you ask me, I will suggest we deal with them first before her. By then, she will be left with no any option than to give you up.
Look, maybe that's a long process. What if one or two die, the whole village will suspect us. And if others support her, then we will have to kill all of them.
Are you afraid? That is a challenge, and you know I love challenges. Think about that. Just think.
But what do we do now? What do we do now?
That is why I say now you are talking. We have to play along. Yes, by showing them care, bring them closer, put them in the pocket, and
The heart of men, highly desperate, will be mad in the banjo.
Ugochi! Ugochi! Ugochi!
Nine.
What am I hearing? What am I hearing again?
What are you hearing?
Ugochi, I've called you twice. I've called you 2 times. For the last time, I'm asking you, who is that man that came here to ask for Isioma's hand in marriage without my knowing? And you and your children are keeping it away from me.
Hey, now so you've heard. So what am I telling you for?
Look, Ugochi, that I overlook so many things that you and your children do in this house does not mean that I'm a fool or I don't know what I'm doing. But let me tell you, as the eldest man in this family, I am the only one who has the right to give away the hand of any of your daughters away in marriage. Not you and nobody else.
No, you have rights to give your own children to give their hands in marriage or do whatever you like with them. But you don't have any right over Ejike's children. And because you said that my children are bastards. So what are you doing with bastards? They're not members of your family.
As the only oldest man in this family, I have the right. And it doesn't change whoever they are.
Uncle, sorry, let me ask you this one question. Isioma here, is she your daughter? The same Isioma, you called Isioma a bastard. Let me ask you one thing. Are you a father to a bastard or?
I don't understand, Papa.
No, Mama. See, I don't want to.
I can see that you and your children have it all planned out. No problem. But I'll tell you, as the oldest of this family, none of your daughters will marry anybody that I don't like or approve. Inugo, Ekusigom.
Mama, what is wrong with that man? Don't he ever give up? He called us bastards.
Bloody ones.
Now that he has seen that the rich suitor is coming to marry me, Ogaluka Ifa Kujuruku. We are your bride price.
Uchiyo Kadike, you are welcome, sir. I came to your house earlier and I was told you went to the neighboring village.
Yes.
So I believe that Ugochi would have informed you that we are there earlier.
Yes. She told me. But you see, she is just a woman. Yes. That is why I came to hear from the horse's mouth. Now, which of your sons is coming for my late brother's daughter's hand in marriage?
He's not my biological son. It's Izunna, the son of Ibekwe, my late elder brother, the one that stays in the city.
Oh, okay, yes, Izunna. The one that left the village at the age of 7.
That is him, sir. You know him.
I was wondering, I know all your sons. I know all your sons very well. That's a new development. Yes.
No, you know Izunna now is a very big boy. Yes, with many investments in the city. Yes, I must confess, Isioma and the entire family are very, very lucky. Izunna that I know, he's going to uplift the entire family.
Oh, yes. She's very lucky, yes.
So you are welcome, sir. Let me go in and bring schnapps so that we use it to wash the cola down.
Oh, yes. Very, very good.
I'm coming.
Ichie, now you have known who to face.
That boy will now know why I'm called Okadike.
Onyano.
Hey!
Ichie Okadike. Ichie Okadike.
Why am I?
Atakata boy.
No, boy, see. Well, Mama,
Nyam. Ichie Okadike. Nagi
Fredo, I understand what you mean. But she will make a good wife. I can't afford to lose her. Else I'll be a bachelor for life.
Izunna, I was once happy like you. But women are not what you really think they are.
You know we've been friends since childhood. We're like brothers now. What is troubling you? What is it? Is it your wife?
Izunna, you are like a brother to me. And I cannot hide anything from you. They say, not all that glitters are gold. But I pray yours should not be like mine.
Brother, talk to me. What is the problem? There's no problem without a solution.
you won't understand.
Drinking to stupor. Well, you can drink to death for all I care. Let me tell you, drinking will not solve this problem. And the earlier you get that into your head, the better for you. Where is the money I ask of?
Rose, I need peace in my life. Please try to understand what I'm trying to say.
Fred, the only thing I understand now is the money I ask of. And there will not be peace in this house until you give me that money.
Money all the time. Is this what this marriage is all about? Did you marry me because of money? At this point in my life that I'm dejected, I'm confused. You're the least person to comfort me. Rose, please don't add to my problems.
Fred, I have said it. And that is final. If I don't have that money, there will be no peace in this house.
I'm back, oh.
Where's everybody?
Mama! Nonya! Nonya!
Adasi, see, 24 tubers of yam, bags of rice, 4 bags in one is no. If I need the one is so much. See what they gave me. If you know what I suffered to get this list from you, I was just following them about, let them write it. They even wrote at the back. I found this time. They said that my in-law or my in-law to be Amami Funsa is going to pay for the dowry and the bride price and everything and buy all these things. That these things are the things they will share. 45 guinea baskets of tomatoes. Are they cooking for the whole Nigeria? I don't understand.
You see this list? For Lefa. No, this is chicken change. If I have one single, we're talking about Izumi and my husband to be. Yeah, I'm gonna give me what can you queer? This is chicken change. We need Mama. Yeah, chicken change.
Yes. Mama, I trust my sister very well, and I trust my in-law to be very well.
As for me, I want to be the chief bridesmaid.
See her mouth. Is that what you want to be?
I don't have friends.
Is your elder sister?
Never have.
Your own friends.
I don't mind. I don't have best friend.
If I choice was here, what do you want?
Mama,
that's the only thing you want.
You can go ahead and become the chief bridesmaid, the best man. So that is your business, Mama. My own business is to be in charge of the people that will be picking off money on that day now.
You want to see my daughter?
No, Mama.
You're criminal.
Mama, I'm a good boy. I want to be in charge.
A good boy. He will be buying powder and
Pico, I don't want to see close to my money on that day. Because please.
As a good man, I want to help.
Is your brother going to carry his like that? For your wedding?
Mama, this hair is fine now.
Raining in now.
Mama, this is the reigning style.
Yes.
Ikamayara isi okadike.
Yeah, okadike ikamayara.
Alumelu situation.
So Mama, I'll be going to the city tomorrow to see Zuma and also to give him this list.
My in-law for me. Oh. Your in-law to be.
Buy something for me when you're coming back.
Like what?
Something like that. Like good clothes. You know those kind of clothes you wear in the city.
I saw you.
And you, what do you want?
You want what? What do you want?
Me, I want iPhone 10.
No, I'll buy you 100.
Can't get my food.
She will buy you a car.
iPhone 10.
No, when he's in about you tell him that
So, how much are we looking at?
Isu, all things being equal, we're looking at 20 million naira.
20 million naira. Okay. I'll give it to you.
Izu, you mean you will give me the money?
Yes.
Izu, thank you so much.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
It's nothing.
You just saved me.
It's nothing. It's nothing. Fred, come on.
I can't believe this.
Your father established me while he was alive. I can't abandon you now that you need my help. Not after all these years. You're like a brother to me.
I know, Izu. Look, good men are rare to see in this world now. Not every man would do this for his fellow man. Only few men can do this. May God bless you.
God bless you too.
Look, I cannot have my dream.
Oh, please, by every means possible.
Thank you so much.
I'm glad I can help.
Mama, there is a big problem. We have to do something about Fred. As I'm talking to you now, Fred is going about looking for someone to borrow him money.
I don't understand all this. Is there no other way? And how is he going to pay back the money?
Mama, there is no other way. If there is any other way, I won't be telling you this. The only way is for him to replace his father. If not, he's going to lose all the wealth he inherited from him.
This sounds crazy. I don't believe this kind of thing still exists. Anyway, God will make a way.
When will God make a way, Mama? Mama, I'm just losing it.
My dear, don't worry. This God we serve will do something. My dear, you are welcome. How did it go? The meeting with Izuna?
Mama, it seems all hope is lost. Izuna is angry with me. He said he's not going to help me.
You mean Izuna refused to help you? After everything that your father did for him?
Yes, Mama. Mama, at this point I am confused. I don't know where to run to. I don't know who to go to meet.
Don't worry. God will do something.
Honey. Honey. Please, let's go inside. I need you.
Huh? You said what? Need the book on. You don't have money and yet you want to have this. You need me. See, let me tell you. No money, no rose. Other men that used to buy their wife expensive car, house, things, jewelries. Your own is you need me. You will soon need war tonight. You and war will need each other. It's yours. You need me.
Fred, my son, take life easy. Do not worry so much. Please, do not follow the ways of your father and destroy your future and the future of your unborn babies. And Rose, my daughter, please stick with your husband in good times and bad times. Only God knows what He has for you in future, both of you, you know.
Mama, thank you so much. I really appreciate your motherly advice. Thank you. Let me drop you.
My son. Yes, I've overstayed. I'll be hearing from both of you.
I'll miss you.
I know.
Me too.
You should go home now.
Ijeoma and Oluchi.
Now, Dikeh.
How are you today?
Fine, thank you, sir.
We're fine.
Ijeoma, have you heard?
Heard what?
Do you know that this evil old man is asking for Naza's hand in marriage?
It's not possible now. This old man.
Well, are you seriously saying that you're the only one that haven't heard about this?
Naza. But Naza is too young for him now.
That is it. Naza told him to his face that she wasn't interested.
That serves him right. Can you imagine?
It didn't end there. Do you know that this man claims that Naza was betrothed to him right from the day she was born? That's what he's saying.
How is that possible? Even Yusuf, you believe that kind of thing?
My dear, Ichie Miri supported as a witness. Can you beat that?
What do you expect? Best of the same feather. They flock together. Let's go, Joe. My friend. But come to think of it, the guy fits you, I swear. Do you know he has been threatening to kill me? Ever since I refused to marry him.
No, don't mind that man. Don't mind that madman. Don't listen to him.
But it's remember that your uncle is not normal. So upon all the girls, he's looking for a young blood, like a young woman to marry.
Look at money, he doesn't want to die early. Fresh meat.
Then you should go into the bush and look for another animal there. I don't come space. But seriously, this is not a joking matter. Like play now. That's your uncle, don't they get out?
Oh, it's about out.
Me, Chinaza. Chinek. No, you go marry me.
Marry him now. Hey, you should consider marrying him.
Chinaza. Which one is Chinaza? You marry him,
consider him. Consider him. Can walk him more than that.
Marry him, Joe.
Yeah, I need to would do a shape before.
Pink and black color.
Ichio Kadike, let me ask you this question. How many girls will you want to marry? And what is so special about that Naza? Or what is she called?
I have my reasons for doing anything. You see, if that girl refuses me, I will disfigure her and I will still marry her.
And now, what are your reasons for marrying her?
You see, her late father left for her that Ibago farmland. You know it's the largest farmland in this village. Of course. So if I marry her, the whole farmland belongs to me.
Ichio Kadike, you never cease to amaze me. Oh, you want to marry Naza just because of that farmland?
What am I looking for at the head of the fish? Eh? That is the reason. I told you I have reasons for it. See her. I don't care who she's with. By this time tomorrow, she will be crying and begging me to marry her. Just watch out.
Ichio Kadike.
Rose, are you sure this is what you want? Is this what you want?
Fred, this is what I want. And this is what I've ever wanted. I can never suffer for what I know nothing about. Poverty is never part of me and will never be. Goodbye.
This one is beautiful. You like it? Wait. You can have it. Listen, you can have anyone you like. But just take one. Just one. One. Just one.
Wait now.
You're dragging me. You're holding three. I said one.
I want to test it.
One.
Just
one, no. You're taking three. One.
This one has three.
One.
Wait, I know. I'll choose.
I'll choose.
Choose and drop it.
Hey, I didn't know that girls like you can be struggling for things. I saw you through the window there. Then I came out.
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Mama, how this one on me?
The colors are wonderful on you, eh? See the pink, nice pink, yellow and all that.
Hey, Joma. See, you know you like short skirts, eh? Don't you like this one? Hey.
Woo!
But it's one, or you return the other one.
I know. Mama, see this one.
Hey, this is just your own. Bagam, that's the kind of color I like.
Yes.
Because you're my color.
Eh? This one.
If any bottle. Oh my God.
Take it easy. Come on, look at. Look at you. Wait. He's one. No. Wait.
Show us the man. Oyebudi. Man.
So this boy insisted in doing this after all this warning.
Good evening, viewers. My name is AMBROSE. The news in details. Early this morning, police arrested 2 suicide bombers as they attempted to bomb Tassi Market. Police said that the 2 young men refused to say who their leader was. While the investigation is still on, the Wharf House was stormed today, and the ships and the containers were all seized by the federal government. We are yet to know why and the cause why the containers and the ships were seized. More news coming your way after the break. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Mama, why would the government seize people's goods? Mama, container. Ndị container na-esizi ndị kedifa na agbo ọkwa custom kona faputa fapu no ogologo na-esizi container ndị nke afa sizi dị no na wharf ọrụ so ndị Igbo ka fa na-esizi. This is the kind of news Anayo likes to hear. Don't call Anayo. Anayo. Come on before the news will finish. If I want to come with me now.
The time has come. Chinaza. This night will visit you with darkness. Dikeh will visit you with blindness.
Isi, blindness. Hey!
Blindness at this age? No, this is not ordinary. This is not ordinary at all.
I want to die. You can't cry, you'll be fine.
So these are the documents you need. Everything.
It's alright.
Okay?
Okay, I don't have any problem. After I must have gone through it, I'll see what I can do to help you out.
Please, do all you can for me.
Definitely I will.
Please, my life depends on this.
I know.
My entire being, my everything.
I know how it is. I'll assist you.
Please, God will help you.
I need to be
Thank you very much. Thank you. I'm counting on you.
No problem.
I'm counting on you.
I will do my very best. I'll do my very best.
Thank you.
It's all right.
Thank you.
Baby, there is nothing I can do about this. The order is from federal government, not state.
Listen, let me tell you something. I believe there must be a way to get those containers out. I mean, we are talking about a huge amount of money here. The owner of those containers promised to pay me and my friend Tony a huge amount of money. The money that if you set your eyes on, baby, you will smile. And you are the only person in there that can help me out. Use your boss.
It is not easy as you think. He might suspect me.
But there must be a way. Just try to, maneuver him and get the papers out. That's all I ask.
You know what? This is so difficult, but I will see what I can do.
Serious? This is my girl. Please, let's drink up. Baby, I am hoping on you. So please don't fail me. Okay?
Izu, how did it happen?
I don't know. Fred, I'm finished. All my containers, my goods, all gone. Seized by the federal government. I'm finished.
How can the federal government be so wicked? How can they do this without even a notice?
Brother, I don't know. I just don't understand. Everything I have, all my savings, I closed my account for that shipment. I loaned money from the bank for that shipment. Everything I have is on those containers. This happens to be my biggest shipment ever. And now it's gone. What would I do? Where would I start from? I don't know what to do.
Don't say that, don't say that. Look, just take heart.
What would I do? What would I do?
Look, take heart.
What would I do?
Be a man. The downfall of a man is not the end of his life.
This is the end of me. Fred, you don't understand. Everything I have is on that shipment. Where do I go? Where do I start from? This is officially the end of me.
It's okay. There must be another means. Look, I will try to contact the clearing agent. There must be a means to solve this problem.
I cannot stand this shame. No! I cannot stand it. I want to die. I cannot stand this shame. I cannot stand this shame. I cannot stand it. No! I cannot stand this shame. I want to die. I want to die.